Hello, my name is Jonathan Kreider, and the technology that I reviewed is called ClassFlow. ClassFlow is a cloud-based lesson delivery software with advanced collaboration tools for student engagement. It is designed by teachers to be used by teachers and students. ClassFlow is a cloud-based program that allows teachers to create and deliver lessons to their students anytime and anywhere by using any web-based device such as a computer, tablet, or smartphone. It increases student performance and interest through interactive lessons, blended learning, differentiated instruction, assessments, immediate feedback, and digital note-taking. Lessons can also be synced with interactive projectors and whiteboards. ClassFlow allows for collaboration and self-management skills. This helps students learn how to access their assignments and instructional materials and upload and organize their own resources for learning. It can aid the development of independent and collaborative problem-solving skills by placing interaction and control in the hands of the students. Students can be synced with other students in the classroom, but also have the option to work at their own pace. Teachers can send students polls or quizzes by using a broad range of student devices anytime during the lesson to know if the students are understanding what is being presented. Lessons can be changed mid-instruction if needed based on these results. Teachers can send notes and assignments to students outside the classroom and provide feedback and verification at any time. Teachers can save time by downloading lesson plans and activities that are made in ClassFlow by other teachers. Also, many teachers can share, edit, and create lessons together with Lesson Builder. ClassFlow can enable a teacher to recognize a student, group of students, or the entire class by sending them an award or a digital badge. It can be sent not only to the students, but to their parents as well, fostering and reinforcing positive outcomes. Teachers can find millions of interactive lessons, activities, and resources from educators all around the world to create fun and engaging ways of bringing instruction to their students. Some of the pros of using ClassFlow are that it can be used on any web-based device. ClassFlow can facilitate a variety of learning styles which engage the students and improve their performance. Students and teachers can use their own devices, and this program can be cost-free. Some of the cons are that teachers must have constant access to a device with an internet connection in order to use it. Because it has many facets of instruction, it takes time to learn what the program can do. The cost for an individual student and teacher account allowing access to this program is cost-free. Costs in the classroom can also be kept down or even free when the teacher and the students can use their own devices. The use of ClassFlow within the classroom would be beneficial since it is free use. It can be a valuable tool to help teachers design activities and lessons for their students by drawing on a wealth of interactive lessons and resources from educators worldwide. Teachers have the flexibility to create a variety of lessons based on the different needs of the students and can change the course of the lesson mid-instruction based on the immediate feedback of a student poll or quiz. ClassFlow can make education accessible, streamlined, and fun without watering down the content or complexity of learning objectives.